Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Shalu Joshi Bhardwaj here. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the basic structure you need to write down writing task 1 in academic IELTS writing exam. But before going ahead, subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. All set? Let's start. In IELTS academic writing task 1 question, you will be given some pictorial representation. That may be a pie chart, that may be a bar graph, or any other kind of a map or any other information in the form of picture. And you'll be asked to summarize the important points, to compare them, to contrast them, to note down the trends, or anything like this. Clear? So, first and foremost thing is you need to read the question carefully and understand what is being asked. Let's come to the paragraph structure. The paragraphs that you form in your report that will consist of first is introduction. Introduction is basically giving the overview of what is given in the what is described in the pictorial represented question. What kind of data is given, what type of data is given, and what is it describing, and the time period from this period to this period or whatever it is. Clear? So for introduction, what you may do is you need to paraphrase the given information in the question only. You will get everything and you just need to paraphrase that given information for the introduction. And this introduction should be short, it should be crisp, so and that's it in one lines or two line to the max. Clear? Next is comes the overview. For this is the basic difference between writing task type 2 and type 1. In type 1, you need to produce, you need to write down the overview of the given data. You need to analyze the data, you need to work out on the figures which are given to you, and you need to make out which is the largest like the main trends, what is the basic difference which is being seen, what is the major trend, major point which you have noted. You need to give it in the overview. Make sure that you do not have to include any kind of figures or any kind of percentages unless really important or really significant it is in your overview. But you need to mention the important trends. Clear? So this makes your overview. Overview can be of 2 or 3 sentences and that's it. You may include it with the introduction or you may form another paragraph. I personally believe that I like making another paragraph. Clear? Then comes your body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. You need to arrange and organize the given information in the paragraphs. You may be given something to compare, you may be talking about different kind of you in the pictorial representation you will be given few things in the something in the x-axis and something on the y-axis. Means there will be two things that will be given in which they will be comparing. That may be time or something, that may be two different things in the same time frame or anything like this. So you can divide the information either the material wise, like what is being talked about, or the time wise, or the trend wise. So these are the three ways in which you can organize your question. The best will be time wise, whatever it's given, or the material wise. These two are my personal favorite ways to organize my writing task 1 report. Clear? So in this way, in body paragraph 1 and 2, you will be mentioning the figures, whatever trend, whatever percentages you are seeing in the given question. Clear? But do not do not repeat the words. Try to avoid repetition of the same kind of sentence structure. Most of the times when we are right, we have to write down the same thing with different figures, with different percentages, like the production of, I should say, the production of glass for the year this was, let's say, 25%, and for next year it was 70%. So when we are giving it, we tend to repeat the sentence structure. Try to avoid using the same sentence structure while writing down the paragraphs, and do use the linking words. So, in this way, in this particular structure of introduction, overview, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, when you write the information, your report for writing task 1 like this, you have completely nicely organized your work, and your structure is complete. One more thing, few of the overview can be given in the end also. So the other structure will be like you write the introduction, body paragraph 1, 2, and then the overview. This is also another kind of structure which you may follow, but because of the lack of time, if you are very confident that you will have the time, enough time to write down the overview, detailed overview, I should say, that you're not missing anything, you are writing the detailed overview. If you are very sure, then you can write and leave this overview till the end. But if you feel that you may be short of time or you will be rushing at the end, then you should, what I personally believe like is, I like to write the overview before the body paragraphs. So that gives me enough time to expand my overview nicely and to include everything into it, because that helps you to enhance your task achievement score. Different kinds of questions will be discussed later. So keep watching. I hope this basic structure video for IELTS writing task 1 was helpful, will be helpful to you. And that's it for now. Good luck, guys.